everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day to all of you guys everywhere. And today, remember I told you guys in the last episode that I would be featuring a really special recipe for Valentine's Day, and that recipe is, drumroll please, and it is cookies! And to be specific, it's chocolate chip cookies. Everyone loves chocolate chip cookies. The gooey warmness is so good. So that's going to be my special recipe for today. And you guys can make this for your friends and families. So let's get started, won't we? The ingredients you will be needing is 1 cup of white sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of butter melted, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. So let's get started with the mixing and getting it ready. So you want to take the half cup of butter and 1 cup of sugar and put it in the bowl. After you do that, you want to take your salt as well and put it in the bowl. And then you want to take a whisk and you want to mix it until it's a paste. And I'll show you when I'm done making it into a paste. So after you're done making the paste, it should look like this. And I used my mom's help, so you guys can use your parents' help as well. So next, you want to add your vanilla essence and your egg. And then after that, you want to whisk it again until it's nice and creamy. And you can ask your parents for help again. After I was done mixing it with the eggs, I got this nice creamy paste. So when you guys are done making that creamy paste, then you can move on to the next step. And for this, I also use my mom's help. So make sure you guys get your parents' help as well. So first I'm going to take a sieve and a bowl underneath. And now I'm going to take my flour and put it onto the sieve. Next, I'm going to take my baking powder as well. And now I'm going to and I'm just going to shift like this, and I'm going to pat until all of it's done in the bowl. Now I am done shifting my flour, and it looks like this. Now I'm going to take my flour and then put it into my main mixture of paste, just like this. I have put the flour into my paste, and now I'm going to take a rubber spatula and I'm going to fold the mixture. This is how I'm going to fold. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to fold and keep folding until all the flour is mixed into the paste. Okay, so I'm done folding my flour and my paste, and it should look like this. And for this step, I also use my mom's help. You guys can ask your parents to help you as well. And now I'm going to add the chocolate chips, the best part. So add it in. Now you want to use your spatula again and fold in the chocolate chips into the mixture. So you want to fold it just like this and make sure you put all the chocolate chips into the mixture. So after I was done mixing the chocolate chips into the mix, it looks like this. So make sure you mix it very well, and I also use my mom's help for this one as well. Before you do this step, make sure you wash your hands. So next, I'm going to take a heart cookie cutter because I'm making heart cookies because it's Valentine's Day. And if you don't have a heart cookie cutter, you can use a circle. You can make the cookie circle, but I'll show you the circle one in a little bit. So for the heart cookies, you're going to take the cookie cutter and make sure you leave some space between your cookies because they're going to extend in the oven. So I took my cookie cutter and now I'm going to take a little bit of my dough. Now I have my dough right here. Now I'll put it in the mold and make the size of it so it'll be like a heart. And you can make as many as you want. So just like that. You might need a little bit or a lot of dough. It depends how much you need. You just need a little bit more, I guess. So after it's like this, now you want to make it a little bit flat so it'll be nice. Just So after it's flat, you want to take one hand with the dough, the cookie cutter, and now take the other finger and press it and just gently open the cookie cutter. Maybe you want to just fix it a little bit. And that's it. Now, if you want to make a circle cookie, just take some dough, and then the next step you want to do is take some dough and make it into a circle just like this. Then make it flat into your hand, and that's your circle cookie. And then you still have to do the same step. Make sure you leave some space between the cookies, and that's how you make the circle cookie or the heart cookie. Make sure you fill up all of the whole tray and finish all the dough. Okay, I'm done making all my cookies, and I could make 10 cookies, 10 heart cookies, and after you're done making your cookies, make sure you put it in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, make sure you preheat the oven to 375 Fahrenheit, and you have to bake it for 12 to 15 minutes. After you're done, I'll show you how it looks. And make sure you let your parents put the cookies in the oven. Don't do it yourself. My mom helps me put the cookies in the oven. So I'll show you when my cookies are done. See you then. Okay, my cookies have been done baking in the oven, and this is how they turned out. And I let them cool for 10 to 15 minutes. And I made them for my friends and family on Valentine's Day. I hope you guys can make these for your friends and family as well. And I hope you enjoy these cookies. And today, my special guest, my brother, will be trying these cookies out. So won't you give a try?
Hello, and now I'm gonna eat it.
It sure is delicious. So I hope you guys can make this once again. And happy Valentine's, everyone. Please subscribe and press that like button, and see you guys in the next episode. Bye!